Hi everyone, the purpose of this video is to learn the 3D and the petals on it. So hello my viewers, today we're going to be learning how I actually make the petals on this fascinator. Look at it very well, how I made the petals, the fascinator, how I have already done the tutorial of fascinator in the previous video. If you want to learn how to make it, you can kindly go and watch it. Please subscribe and like the button while you're watching. But on this, so we're going to be learning how to make the petals, and here is our fabric. I've already cut them out in circles. I have 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches to all of them, 2.5 inches. So you can cut yours bigger or smaller. So it's just 4 fabric. The fabric I used to make the fascinator is the same fabric I'm using. The fabric is more like nets. So 4 together. So my needle and thread, fold it into 2, fold it into 2 again. Then I did not start from the closing side. I come to the back here and I start to make a running stitches. Make a running stitches. Take the second one. Do the same thing. Come to the back here. The second one. Then I go to the third one. So, and this is the last one. Fold it into 2. Fold it into 2 again. So I make the running stitches. So after that I pass to the next one. I just pass it. I pass it. Make sure it's coming out from a far distance. So this is how I make it. And see now. So this is how I make it. So the next thing I did is now the beadwork that is on it. Now let's go. I'm going to secure it. Secure it. So and that's it. So you can see that this is how I make them. So let's go on to the beadwork that is on it. And for the beadwork that is on it, there are 2. I use this sequin, oval sequin, and these are the silver bead I make use of. And the silver bead that I make use of. So now here is, I pass my needle from under the design. I place my sequin on it, bring it out, Okay, pass it under. This is my sequin. One is facing, so there's an hole on both sides, so I pass it, and then I pass in my small beads, 3. I make use of 3, so on it. So what I do next is pass it through the second hole and then put it inside. So this is my bead on it. So this is what we have. Then I will be tacking it down, just right here. So this is how I make it. Secure it one more time. So, and this is it. Let me do one more, just to make sure that we get it. This is it. And then that one of my sequin, oval shape. So I already knot my thread. So I'm just looking for a better position for it. Okay, so from under, pass my needle. Just trying to set it to make sure it's not too far. That's too far. There are holes on both sides of the sequin, so I pass in my small beads. Do 3. So I pass it through the second hole to the back of the cloth. This is it. So I'll be securing it. I'll cut it off. So this is how I make them. So you see now. So the second one is right here. I have just 1 inches. Just 1 inches, and I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them also, just like I have 8 of this. So I'll just iron everything out so that it can stay, and then I'll now push it in. Then I'll iron it so that I can put the gum just slightly, so that it will not mess it up. So that's what I'll be doing next. So let me do it at the back of the camera, since I've explained what I want to do. Then I'll come and show us after I've ironed them out. So I finished ironing it to form the shape I want. See, the ironing is just these 2 sides together then end. So that's how I did all. The length, I said I did 1 inches, so the length is 11. I think 11. The length is 11. Now let me show us how I make the standing design on it. So after I've ironed my cloth and fold it this way, so now see the wire I'm using. I did not use arc wire. So this is the wire I used. You should know this wire that electrician make use of. You can see I peel off the body, I peel off the full body. So that's the wire I make use of. So now I have, the cloth is 11 inches, so I have same length as the cloth, 11 inches. So what I'll be doing next is that I want to fold the edge. folding the edge in. Just folding the edge as the top, the edge. Then I will do I pull my gum. So now the wire way, I'm going to be hiding the wire in it while I gum it. So just one part of it is okay for me to put the gum, just one side of it, so that it will not be messed up with the gum. So I'm closing it up now. My wire is inside. Closing it up. So closing it up, up. So now I'm done closing it up. Now. So to attach it to the heart, rather to the fascinator, this down, I'll be curving it so that I can, this curve, like 1 inch curve, is what I will attach down to the cap. So here now I'll make a twist from somewhere around here. Make a twist. To making a twist. Just making a twist, and that's it. It's okay. So by the time I'm putting it on it, I'm having the twist. That's all. This side that I bend is for me to be able to attach it to the cap. So it will help me to be able to attach it, just to have something to hold it. By the time I'll be using my needle and trying to hold it down to the cap. So now, let me go to the arrangement of everything and let's see if I can do the video. Now I started with the process. So just my hot gum. I'm using my hot gum to glue them. I'll be having one. Okay, this is it here. So I want it to stop here, I guess. So just like this. One of this, then one of this will be covering up. I have 8 8s, so each one of them have their own petals to hold them down. So each one of them have their own petals to hold them down. So, and that's how I'll be placing it. So let me finish it up at the back of the camera, then I'll show us the last part of it. Watch out.